The reason I say all that is Buffalo has no weapons other than Josh Allen. Yes, Cook is good, but I can assure you, no one is showing up thinking, "Oh man, we got James Cook tonight." I don't think that's happening. He's fantastic, but the reason they're not thinking that is Buffalo does not use him like that. I said this last time. To me, James Cook is a McCaffrey type player. Every down, he can catch, he can run, he can block. Why does he come out all of the time? He's not breaking 50-yard runs every time he turn around. It's first down, 7 yard out, Ty Johnson screen. First down, 7 yards, Ty Johnson. Let's do a wheel route. Like that's silly to me. James Cook should never leave that field unless he has 30 plus carries and he needs a break.